All right, guys, just finished up this 2022 Ram 1500 Rebel. It's got the 6-inch rough country, 26 by 14 TIS 560s, 36 1450 Versatyre, and everything was powder coated illusion ruby red. Gonna give you a look in here, put a light on it. Now, this is the Ecodiesel. This color looks really good in the sun, but it's kind of hard to replicate that inside the shop. Now the wheels are they're a slightly different color, being as they're a transparent color, but this is the closest illusion color to match that. Now with this setup, there is quite a bit of trimming required. So on the front, being a Rebel, there's little to no trimming. But on the back, you have to remove quite a bit of the pinch seam and the fender flare, as you can see here. So just be aware of that. Let me see if I can get that to focus a little bit better for you. Yeah. And it will probably still rub at full lock if you hit a dip. So keep that in mind. If you decide to go with this setup, if you wanted to avoid that, you could drop down to something like a 35 and or even change the wheel to a 12 wide instead of a 14 wide and minimize that amount of trimming. Show you a little bit more of the lift. That's it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.